What's that? Don't step there!
There's nothing there!
If you step on a crack, you break your mother's back.
Good thing I didn't step there.
Whoops.
I'm having a good day.
You stepped on
I
it!
didn't mean to.
My bad!
I gotta see if my mom's okay.
Watch out for those cracks!
I'm coming to save you, Mom.
What's going on?
You're stepping on so many cracks.
They're everywhere!
Are you okay?
Call the doctor!
I'm in so much pain. Is she okay, doctor?
She broke every bone in her body.
How did that happen?
Did you step on any cracks today?
Why would you think that?
Stop stepping on them!